Well, coronavirus cases continue to rise in our state, and this weekend you might notice that more people are wearing a mask. This comes as 6 of Connecticut's 8 counties are now under an indoor mask recommendation. Yesterday, the state's positivity rate was holding steady at 2.72%. And because of this, several towns and cities are once again adding mask requirements. Norwich, Newington, and New London, to name a few, are all saying that you have to wear one if you're inside a city or town building.
I don't have a problem with it. I mean, everyone's just trying to be safe, keep everyone healthy. I think that's the more important thing.
If more places change their mask requirements, of course, we'll let you know here on the air and on the Channel 3 app. Meanwhile, the summer surge across the U.S. comes amid new evidence that vaccinated Americans also need to be wary of the highly contagious Delta variant. In Florida, COVID-19 cases jumped 50% this week, with more than 110,000 new infections reported statewide. Channel 3's Skylar Henry reports from Washington.
The CDC is now warning that vaccinated Americans can transmit the Delta variant as easily as those who are unvaccinated. That warning prompted by a cluster of COVID cases in Provincetown, Massachusetts. Of the 469 positive cases traced back to celebrations in early July, 74% were fully vaccinated. But the CDC also says overall, 97% of those hospitalized with COVID have not been vaccinated.
We're not in a good place because not enough people have decided up to now to be vaccinated.
In hard-hit Louisiana, Governor John Bel Edwards is calling the Delta variant an absolute game changer.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says he hopes U.S. regulators grant full approval to COVID vaccines by next month, and that might convince some of those who are hesitant to get their shots.
What also will happen is that once you get full approval, local authorities will feel more comfortable in doing local mandates for vaccine.
As people lined up for testing in Palm Beach, Florida's daily new cases topped 17,000, levels last seen during the winter surge.
Should Americans expect more guidelines coming out, more restrictions because of COVID?
In all probability.
Walmart is joining the growing list of companies big and small, requiring employees to show proof they're vaccinated. And in New York, the curtain is set to rise again on Broadway in September. Theatergoers will need a ticket, a mask, and proof of vaccination to get through the door. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Washington.